So I found an old license plate backing plate, off of the, I guess it's a Heritage or Deluxe. And I cut it up, and I made these little brackets. And these brackets basically lower your mounting place. So normally this mounts on top up here, but if you do some DIY brackets, you can mount it on bottom, and you can therefore lower and still have the right clearance. So there's the original height, there's the new height. Big difference. It's kind of fun. So now that I've got the bracket fixed, so I lowered it, and I probably need lower bag or longer bags, but that's okay for now. I just wanted to get it lower instead of so high, and I hated that it wasn't level, and now it's level, pretty level. And see how the bracket doesn't look bad. Can't even tell. Look at the old one. I haven't done that one yet, but it's ready for some long bags and the lower bar. Finally got it done. It's lower. The bags aren't extended yet, but I think it looks pretty good. And it's level. Yep, I like it. This really doesn't look that yellow. I mean, it looks yellow in video, but man, in real life it's totally different. Gotta go write it though. I haven't had time to write it.